my dear friends, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. I am so excited that you have clicked on my channel. If you are new here, you are so welcome, and you can support my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing and leaving a comment in the comment section below. So this is a very simple hairstyle. As you can see, I'm just using the from moisturizing butter from Dark and Lovely just to add moisture to my hair, and I'm also using the Nice and Lovely hair gel just to smoothen my edges and just to make them look cute and nice. And this is a very simple and quick hairstyle that you can do on your hair. It is less time consuming and it will not even take your time, and achieving it's very quick. And as you can see, I'm just brushing my edges. So I'm going to create two flat twists, and one will be on the left side of my hair and the other one on the right side of my hair for this hairstyle. And in the middle, I'm going to create two ponies, and one pony is going to be at the back and the other one is going to be at the middle. So that's why I decided to call this hairstyle Ponyhawk, because it has two ponies that are going to look like the mohawk hairstyle, but it's not a mohawk hairstyle, so it's kind of going to look like that. And as you can see, I'm just going to tie my hair at that point. And it is very quick, very easy and very simple. It does not manipulate your hair, it does not ruin your hair, as you can see. So I'm just tying my hair with this hairband at that point, and when I'm done, I'm going to do the same thing to the hair that is remaining at the back. So this is a very simple hairstyle. So I just decided to secure some hair at that point with this hairpin, just to make sure that I don't have some hair that are hanging. So I'm also doing the same thing that I did to the first pony, just to moisturize and also tie it with this hairband, just like that, and you are good to go. You can wear this hairstyle when you just want to step out, or maybe you're just in the house, or maybe you're going for an occasion. So it is a very simple and quick hairstyle that you can do on your hair. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I hope, my friends, that you are doing well wherever that you are, and that the peace of God that transcends all human understanding is upon your heart and your soul. And just know that God loves you regardless of the circumstances. God is good and He's always good, and that is His nature. So God's goodness is not tied to our circumstances. So our circumstances cannot dictate how God becomes in our life. He's the same yesterday, today and forever. And just know that God is perfect in everything, and whatever that is happening, I know it is worrying, but just know that God is taking good care of you. And I pray that you will not get submerged in worrying, because worrying is not good, is not healthy for your body. And I pray that God will guide you and He will fulfill the desires of your heart. I just really appreciate that you decided just to subscribe to my channel and also just watching my video. I do not take it for granted. You are very valuable and very important to me, and you are always in my heart. You are always close to me, and I'm always praying for you wherever that you are. So thank you so much for choosing to subscribe to my channel. And as you can see, I'm just applying the castor oil on my edges. So I really like applying castor oil to my edges because it really helps my edges in glowing, and also just to make them shiny, and just it makes them look cute. And when maybe you are suffering from maybe edges are thinning away and maybe edges are breaking, you want to consider using castor oil, because castor oil is really good at regrowing your edges, and also it promotes hair growth, and also it makes your edges look fuller. So castor oil is very good in growing your hair and also just making your hair look very fuller. So it is a very nice oil. It is my favorite oil, and since I started to be natural, that's what I have been using. So it is an oil that do not disappoint. It is really nice. So thank you so much for watching my video to this end, and I really appreciate again and again. I don't take it for granted. As you can see, I am done with my hairstyle, and I'm so happy that I was able to create this look. So thank you so much once again, and see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Love you.